Hi, my name is Dale Clark and I head up the product team for CA Technologies Service Management Solution. This video is part 4 of a series of brief demonstrations to highlight some of the capabilities provided by the solution. In this installment, Jack Gao will walk you through some elements of the solution's knowledge management capabilities.
As a regular business user, and when they first get into the self-serve portal, they can just quickly put in the information that they are looking for. In my example, it's VPN information, right? And the search result will actually display all the VPN related information from multiple knowledge sources. The first knowledge source, as you can see, is the message board. And in the user communities, you could have multiple message boards talking about different topics. Of course, you can drill into it and you can review the information people have shared in this message board. Okay. In addition to the message boards, the solution also is able to get into Service Desk Manager knowledge base. And you can see one of the knowledge documents talking about the VPN setup. So over here, in addition to the knowledge content, also on the side, there are a few options that you can perform, based on this knowledge document. The first thing is that you can add this knowledge document to your bookmark, right? So later on, you can quickly get to this knowledge document. The second one is to subscribe. As a subscriber to a knowledge document, any future update of this particular knowledge document, and you will get an email notification to get notified on any new changes to this knowledge document. Rate and comment. This is the option for the end user to provide feedback, right? So as you can see, they can just rate on this knowledge document, and also they can provide their feedback, right? And you can use that as a search criteria to search for related knowledge document as well. Also on the site, you can see that the number of times the knowledge document has been rated and the average rating around this particular knowledge document. Okay, so in addition to the Service Desk Manager knowledge base, also the solution is able to get into the Microsoft SharePoint. Okay, and in addition to SharePoint, Google as well. And for example, you can get this VPN definition website. You can just simply click on this link and get into that external website. So as a Service Desk analyst, when they get into Service Desk Manager interface, they can quickly switch over to a knowledge tab. This is where they can perform comprehensive knowledge search within the knowledge base. And there are multiple search criteria they can use, right? Including you want to search based on title, based on a summary. You can do a keyword search. You can do a natural language search. And most importantly, you can sort the search result by using different criteria, right? The FAQ rating based on number of hits, based on the how many times this knowledge document has been used to resolve tickets. And when I get into one of the knowledge base, I can see that the content of the knowledge document, not just the text information, but also we can embed a screenshot into the body of the knowledge document. As an analyst, I'm also able to email this knowledge document. When the analyst is working on a ticket, when they're trying to do the troubleshooting, there's a tab called the Knowledge Management right within the ticket detail window. So from here, when the analyst switch over to the Knowledge tab, as you can see, the search terms has been automatically filled out by using the ticket description. And it's been once you switch over to the tab, the search will automatically occur in the backend knowledge base, and you can actually turn on the SharePoint integration as well. So once you open up one of the knowledge documents, and by reading through this, you understand that, okay, you think this knowledge document will help you resolve your issue. So over here on the top, you have a new option called Accept as Solution. So as you can see, this particular knowledge document has been linked back to this particular ticket. In addition to the knowledge search within the ticket, the analyst can also perform some actions while they're providing the solution information for this ticket. Submit this solution as a knowledge document as well. Of course, I could also do a find similar, just in case that there are some other knowledge documents that have already provided the same information, right? So once you save as a draft, you can also provide additional information to this knowledge document. You can relate this knowledge document to other knowledge documents, right? You can add attachments to this knowledge document. You can put securities around this knowledge document, right? And most importantly, you see that there is a approval process template in the back end that you can use to attach to this new knowledge document, which means that this knowledge document needs to go through certain approval process before it can be published to the next party in the process. So in the process flow, we have defined the next task to be SME review. So Kevin has just received the email saying, hey, there is a knowledge document that has been assigned to you for review, and here is the link. And then once he's done, he would, either, of course, he can reject this knowledge document, right? Or he can further proceed this knowledge document to the next step, which is to forward to, in my process, the manager's approval. So John, as the manager, he has just received the email asking him to approve on this knowledge document, get into this knowledge document directly. Okay, he can come here, he can go to the editor mode, he can do further adjustment. So as a manager, once he approves this knowledge document, he can just go ahead and do a publish. And once you have published this knowledge document, the status will be changed to published. The knowledge management schedule will give you the calendar view of the knowledge management, all the knowledge documents. So in my example, as you can see, today I have 2 knowledge documents submitted and the 2 actually got published, right? I can click on any of this. I can drill into the particular knowledge document to take a look at the detailed information around this knowledge document. So the calendar view will give me the ability to check on the overall status over time. So the knowledge report card is more like a dashboard for knowledge management, right? It offers the summarized information across the board. So in my example, right, over the last 1 year, I have 2 knowledge documents that have been searched by the end users, have been used by the end users, and as you can see, even we can capture number of hits, right, around those 2 knowledge documents, and how many times it's been voted, and the average rating. The solution count means that how many times it has been used to resolve a ticket, right? And how many times the user has been using self-service to use this document to resolve their issues. The IPQ rating is the summarized rating based on all the previous factors.
We hope that you found this demonstration to be helpful. Please check out the other videos in this series for more information about CA Technologies' service management solutions.